sisters. Ayan. First family holiday. Yeah. Later we have a fellowship here. We have an event here in the farm. We have a 2 days celebration, and then later after in the afternoon we will go home na. You too. God bless you too. Hawaii. Thank you so much for your coming always and support my channel. Thank you so much. Yeah. God bless you too. God bless you too. Ano? The pug is very near now. At my back. Look at that. Oh, see? Nakakatuwa. I'm going live only at 30 minutes because my Wi-Fi is not long. Yeah, good night, my dear friend, okay? Okay, good night. Have a nice sleep. Yeah, it's beautiful, yes. The beauty of nature is beautiful. Oh, there's a lot of trees. Okay, good night. Come on. You go to sleep. Happy Sunday to you. Yes, sister. Yes. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for your support, okay? Thank you. Thank you so much. Welcome. Yeah, thank you. Okay. Have a nice sleep, my dear friend. Thank you for coming. Bye. Yes. Bye-bye. I'm sitting here in the bench. uh, it's wet. Wet. Okay, bye-bye. Good night. Have a nice sleep. Ayan na, yung pag, nasa ibabaw na ng bubong. May music lang tayo, guys.